What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here today. I'm going to attempt to fix this tailgate stuff. Wish me luck. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, baby.
What? Alright, so yesterday, or in the last video, I talked about the damage done to the tailgate brackets here, so hopefully I've ordered the correct parts. I hope. And I got this. Alright. I need some tools. Let me grab some tools and let's see what we can do. Alright, let's get this. Wow, look at that. That's really damaged. Alright, let's see. Got that part on. Oh, I see. This one will go on the other side. I might as well change out the other side too, because look how rusted that is. I'm going to go ahead and replace that side too. And then when I get to the tailgate portion, I'll come back to you. I'm kind of concerned because these are not bent like these. They're kind of straight, so I don't know if these are the right ones. Or is that bent because it's messed up? Am I going to be able to get this out? Let me go get my breaker bar. I don't know what to do, y'all. It's not coming off. That thing is just on there so tight. I don't know if it's stuck because it's damaged or if it's attached to something else. Huh. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this tailgate around and look at the other side. Alright, I'm looking at the other side. That other side is straight. So it's supposed to look like that, and the other side is just really, really bent. So it is not supposed to be bent at all. Alright, so I'm going to pull this back up and work on it for a little bit. And once I figure out how to get it off, I'll come back to you guys. You see how that's L-shaped? It's got like a little Z shape to it. It's not supposed to be like that. Alright, I'm gonna do some more tinkering on this and hopefully I can get that piece off. I figured it out. Okay, so that rusted piece I took off on this side had to go back on because that piece fits inside this piece, which is a full circle, full round circle. And on this end, there's a slot that goes here on this piece, which is kind of like a rounded off rectangle. So that piece is new. And I'm still not sure if that piece down there is supposed to be bent or not. But I did put the screw back in that side. I was trying to take it off the screw on this side just so I could get a better idea of how it's put together. So now that I've figured this out, I'm not sure what happened. My camera just turned off for some weird reason. But anyway, I want to put this screw back on this side, get this tightened up, and then we're going to see if this tailgate works. If not, then I probably will just have to look at getting another tailgate completely. Alright. Let's see. Oh, let the shenanigans ensue. It's on. It's a little janky, but it's on. Alright, so my next thing that I need to fix is the gate latch handle. And, I know the handle is inside the truck, but I need to put that back together to make sure it works. But I won't have time to do that today. It's almost dark. I need to get in the house because mosquitoes are eating me alive. And it's going to be rainy for the next, I don't know how many days.